Mulai, Bu? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, we are here with Miss Fajriani, which is the lecturer that we are going to interview for today. Good afternoon, Miss. How are you? Thank you so much for giving us your time today. So, we are going to ask you a few questions about how AI tools can be integrated into language teaching. Shall we begin?
Okay.
Okay. My first question is, how do you personally view the use of AI tools like ChatGPT in language classroom? Like, do you think they can support or replace the traditional methods?
Okay. According to me, I tools like ChatGPT as a powerful support systems in the language classroom. They can enhance language learning by offering instant feedback,
Yes.
generating content, and helping with language practice. However, I don't believe they can or should replace traditional methods. Human interaction, such as human interaction, cultural nuance, and emotional intelligence, because those are still best delivered through human teachers. AI should complement, not replace traditional pedagogical approaches. It cannot be changed actually.
Okay, so it did really helps a lot in education, but they cannot change the traditional
Yeah.
methods. Yeah, okay. Maybe my friends will ask the second question.
Okay, second question is, what do you think are the main challenges teachers face when trying to use AI tools in the classroom?
Okay, some main challenges include the lack of digital literacy among teachers and students, or among lecturers and university students. And the second, limited access to reliable technology or internet, especially in rural areas. And then ethnical concerns such as dependency, plagiarism, and data privacy. And the last, maybe the lack of clear guidance or training on how to effectively integrate AI into lessons. Maybe that's all.
I got your point. And my question is related to that. How can we ethically use tools like ChatGPT to improve students' writing skills?
Ethical use of ChatGPT involves transparency and clear boundaries. Teachers can encourage students to use AI for the first brainstorming ideas, getting grammar or vocabulary suggestions, and learning sentence structure or style. However, students should still produce original work and reflect on their learning process. Teachers should also guide students on how to cite AI use and promote critical thinking rather than copying content directly.
Okay. Also, Miss, I have a question based on a journal I read from TESOL Quarterly 2023. It said that AI tools are often biased and trained with limited English context. So, how should we, as the future English teachers, respond to this issue?
As future English teachers or lecturers, we should be aware of AI limitations, including linguistic and cultural bias. And the second, supplement of AI tools with diverse and inclusive materials that represent a wide range of English varieties and global cultures. And the third, teach students critical thinking helping them question and evaluate the output they receive from AI tools. And the last, encourage contextual and localized learning, especially in multilingual or multicultural classrooms. Maybe. That's all.
So we need to be aware with its limitations.
Yes.
Okay, next question is, in your opinion, what skills should we as career service teachers focus on in this AI-driven education era?
Okay, actually we should develop, the first is digital and literacy, with understanding how AI works and how to use it responsibly. And the second, pedagogical creativity, deciding lessons that effectively integrate AI while maintaining learning objectives. And the third, critical thinking and problem solving. The function is to evaluate AI content and guide students in doing the same. And fourth, ethical awareness, teaching students about responsible use of AI tools. And the last, maybe adaptability, keeping up with emerging technologies and trends in education. Maybe.
And how about lesson planning? How do we balance theory and practice when using AI in EFL lesson design?
Balancing theory and practice means grounding the use of AI in sound pedagogical principles. For example, use communicative language teaching theories, the theories to guide how AI can support interaction, and then apply task-based learning while letting AI help generate prompts or feedback. We need to ensure that the use of AI tools is not just for novelty, but serves specific learning goals and is aligned with educational theory.
So, Miss, the last question from us. So, do you think AI tools should be included as part of teacher training programs in Indonesia?
Yes, definitely. Including AI in teacher training is essential to prepare educators for the future of learning. Because training should cover the first, how AI works and its limitations. The second, ethical use of AI in classrooms. Third, practical applications of AI for language teaching and assessment. And the last, strategies for guiding students in responsible and meaningful use. And those things will ensure that teachers are not just consumers of technology, but can integrate it thoughtful and in impactful ways. Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you. This was a great answer, and thank you very much, Miss. Your insights are incredibly helpful, and we really appreciate your time today. We hope to meet you again with more exciting topics next.
Thank you. You're welcome, and good luck for you all.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. You're welcome.
Summertime in November, sunny days in the clouds. For as long So send